Hey guys, Brian here from Thumper Fab. Today I'm going to walk you through installing our Thumper Fab Adjustable Bed Rack on your U10 XL. For the first step in mounting our Thumper Fab Adjustable Bed Rack to your U10 XL, you'll take our fasteners that slide down in the slots provided in your bed rails, seat it fully, and you'll tighten it up with an Allen wrench. Tightening these with an Allen wrench will expand the anchor, providing a tighter fit so that once your bed rack is nice and secure, won't go anywhere while riding down the trail. For this installation, we decided to install our anchors in the furthest bed holes apart from each other for a nice spread out look that'll really take up the whole bed and show off the rack. Although the bed rack does have adjustment, you may be able to adjust it to fit on the rear of your bed, the front of the bed, depending on what accessories, snorkels, other products you may have. With your bed rail anchors tightened in place, you can grab a friend, set the bed rack up on the vehicle before moving on to the next step. Before we put the rack up on the bed, we took width measurements for center to center of our anchor holes, as well as depth measurements that help us determine where to place our adjustment before tightening everything up, placing the rack on the unit, and getting ready for final fastener. To actually tighten the bed rack to the bed rails, you'll use the studded wing nut with a lock washer and the fender washer that'll come included with the anchor. You'll simply thread it in to the fastener installed in the bed rail and tighten it all the way down before moving on to the other three corners. With all four corners tight, your bed rack is fully installed. You're ready to hit the trails and enjoy your new storage solution.